Can you guys see?
It's the donut truck! We gotta go get it!
This is Sky. She's born deaf. And when it's time to go for a walk, she doesn't understand.
Bandit, you wanna go to bed? Good night.
Not to fair, sorry.
We supposed to be asleep! Mama coming, we supposed to be asleep, Lacey!
Do you have a little pity? Is she really, really pretty? Does she lick you on the face and give you no personal space? Does she look you in the eye when you leave like mama? Why do you have a little